Hi, I'm here at this place. Um, it is small island, Atlantic Ocean. I cannot tell you exactly where I am. Just let me show you around. So this island has population of 10,000 people. There is a lot of story and scary story about this island. At night, you see all of these. Let me show you. At night, it is very, very dangerous here to be at this beach. You see, they put all of these. Because at night, and now, you see there is a helicopter? You see there is another one. It's not one or two. So at night, there is a creature trying to come to island, but they keep the creature out from water. You see, all the way. If you go down all the way, you see, they put all these pearl all the way. It's not one or two, all the way around the island. People showed me many footage. They take it from the creature, and some of them really interesting. I'm gonna show you some of them, okay? Just visit my channel and you will find it. "24/7 they have helicopter and airplane around the island to keep people safe. No one allowed to swim." I found the lighter and it's working. So no one allowed to swim here actually. This is absolutely beautiful island. No jumping, diving, or swimming. If I see someone around here, I'm gonna talk to him if they want to talk. Not many people want to talk. So many of you ask me, there is a strawberry right here. Many of you ask me Hey, where these creatures go at night? Where they leave this creature? This is not the first time I'm telling you. These creature, these monster, they live here sometime, not all the time. Some of them live here forever. Some of them, they visit here, they stay here, they hunt here, they eat here. This is so delicious. Oh my God. And it's sour. So these creatures live here, hunt here, and then they leave, they go back. How they go back to other planet? Well, let me tell you. Some of them, they have travel power. What does that mean? That mean they can travel fast between the star. But some of them live here and die here. But many people ask me, why we cannot see this creature? Why we cannot see monster? Well, let me tell you this. Not everyone can see this creature. No, not everyone. People with paranormal eyes, they can see this creature. If you don't have a paranormal eyes, then you're not able to see it. You have to believe to see. If you don't believe something, then how can you see it? One day say, I believe in Godzilla. You will see it in front of your door, you know. You just have to believe. I'm just staying here, see if I get lucky and see the creature, you know, here. You see, they have airplane 24/7 around the lake. What? Oh my God! You see that? Look, 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 look. Wow. That's beautiful. What the hell is this creature eating? Probably fish or something, I don't know. Wow, you see that? See, I tell you, you gotta have a paranormal eyes. I think I should go.